with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be taking a closer look at our subscription products for November 2021. The first thing we're going to go through is our Crafty Courtyard Kit. And I get so excited when we show everything that's inside the kit. First, we'll start with the postcard. We've got this nice little wreath here. Hello, friend. It gives you a hint of what's inside. The theme this month is just hello, you. And it gives you everything that's in the kit, our color palette, just some beautiful pastels this month. Now let's start with our cardstock. You're going to get a full sheet of glitter paper in a beautiful pink. It's almost a rose gold, pretty, just light pink color. You've got light blue, a tan with polka dots, a coral color, yellow, and then our 210-pound ice rink cardstock. As always, you get your handy dandy zippered project bag. These mesh bags are really sturdy and they're ready to hold all of your crafty goodies, whether on the go or just to help you store them. Now let's get into the goodies, the meat and the potatoes of the kit. We've got an exclusive sequin mix, those real pretty pastel colors, got blue and light pink and tan. It's just really nice. Get your little flare 1-inch button. It says friend and has part of the wreath that was on the postcard. And that's just a little something we throw in. You can just collect them, pin them up somewhere. You could add them to projects if you wanted. It's just a little something special. We've got glitter enamel dots in all of those gorgeous pastel colors. Oh, I love these. You're gonna get a full paper pad. This one's called Pastel Dreams. So it has all those beautiful pastel colors in plaids, polka dots, chevron patterns, and stripes. Lots of fun to create with. You get a 6x6 embossing folder. This one has a really fun, like bursting petal design. You're gonna get a 6x6 stencil. And again, it kind of has those same petal bursting patterns, but just multiples of them around the stencil. So you can create really fun background with that. Here is our exclusive 6x6 stamp set. And this is a lot of fun. We have 2 wreaths on here. One has fruit and leaves, and the other one is a nice leafy wreath. So we've given you the inside piece so that you can stamp this inside piece all around the leaf in different sections to color it in, so you don't have to color it. Same goes for this. We have the fruit pieces here. You just stamp around the wreath, and we have the leaves here that you can stamp in. So there's no coloring you have to do unless you want to. We've also given you like individual pieces of the wreaths here and here. These were done around in a circle to create the wreaths, but we've given you a single one here, so you could create borders or just stamp 1 or 2 of these around the words or sentiments. You can have lots of fun. There's lots of things you could do with this stamp set. We've got a big empty word hello, and we've got the solid, so you could stamp them together or separately. And then we've got you, lovely, and friend. And then we've also got some smaller sentiments to go along with them as well. You've been on my mind lately. Have a wonderful day. I'm grateful for you. I made this just for you. So this is a really fun stamp set. You're also going to get the coordinating dies for this stamp set. And this is a huge set of dies. Look at that. You get the 2 wreaths. You also get the individual pieces that stamp along to create the wreaths. And you get 2 words hello. You get the thinner hello, and then you get the shadow piece that will go behind it. So those are the contents of the November 2021 Crafty Courtyard Kit. Now let's take a look at our stamp of the month. We're going to start showing all the subscription products on the first in the same video. It just makes sense so you can see everything at once and get all excited about what's coming to your mailbox this month. For November, our stamp of the month is called Snow Sweet, and it has some of these sweetest little snowmen and snow women We've got sentiments. That was snow sweet of you. Warm wishes. Thanks snow much. Snow one like you. You melt my heart. These are so cute. Here's a look at the stamp set. And here are the coordinating dies. So if you get the stamp and die of the month, you're going to get the coordinating dies to go along with the stamps. And I've done something unique here with the dies. The smaller dies for the snowflakes, I've added a little extra tab next to them. As you can see, there's a little bit more metal around the side of the snowflakes. And that's so you can easily put a little piece of washi tape or removable tape to hold your die over the snowflake just where you want it for die cutting. If you'd like to subscribe to our Crafty Courtyard Kit or the Stamp of the Month or Stamp and Die of the Month, head on over to pinkandmane.com today. Thanks for joining me and taking a look at our subscription products for November 2021. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.